What's up, YouTube? Get ready with me. Okay, so here I am. I'm putting on my magnetic eyelashes. I'm gonna put in the description box if you want to buy some of them. They're very comfy. I love them. Oh, hi, Tiger. There you go. Now time to comb my hair to look decent. Hi, Tiger. Oh my gosh, best company ever. Okay, boom. Yeah, new life, new chapter, new town, new place to live in, and kisses are raining. Raining kisses. So here I am. Hello. Are you looking? Oh, that close up. Okay. Leggings are on. Stretchy clothes because I'm gonna eat. Oh, that box. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of chilly, so I better get my coat on. So this is the first lipstick I tried, and it wasn't that good. So I had to come up with the other three, and luckily I like two of them. Actually, they're not lipstick, they're lip gloss. But look at this one. It's baby pink. I don't know. I don't like it that much because I don't know. It's not my cup of tea. But hey, I got this other one. It's a hot pink. Holy crap! This is very pigmented. But it matches my sweatshirt, so it's okay. Kiss. And this is something I never tried in my life, but I'm very brave. So here I am trying a highlighter. I just found it in my suitcase, so here I am. Bear with me. I had no idea how to use this, but I think it is. It's supposed to, right? I don't know. I have to check later on any makeup tutorial that work some sort of highlighter like that. And here I am putting some of it on my inner corners, on my cheeks. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use your finger to apply makeup on your face, but hey, okay, that's all I have. It's very very practical. Hi, Tiger. Yeah, it's time to get ready now because yeah, my friends are gonna be waiting for me in 10 minutes, or no, actually 20 minutes, so I have plenty of time to model here. Okay, here I am. Hi. Hello, how's it going? Selfie time with Tiger. Hi, Tiger. And yeah, look at that slow motion modeling. Yeah, and I have my Christmas lights. Okay, it's too early now. I had to wait. Better early than late, right? And boom! Fun night with friends. Look at him. He's no shy at all. I told my friends I was doing a live video on Facebook. They got all scared because they are very shy. But no, some of them. Okay, very shaky here. What's happening? Hi, Laura. How's it going? Okay, couldn't show off my food because I ate it all too fast. So anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.